All right, so we're going to go ahead and show you how to do a lens change on the Squadron 2.0s. All you do is take out the 4 screws in the front of the frame. Remove the 4 screws, lift the frame up. If this is something that's going to mount from the bottom side, you'll do the same thing. You'll notice the print here on the top. You can rotate that the other direction, and now you can mount it from the other side. In this case, to do a lens change, you just got to get under the edge here. Sometimes you just get something like this, you just kind of lift it up and pry it up off of the rubber seal there. Notice the rubber gasket along the outside edge. Your new lens comes with a new gasket. If you're changing a light that's a little older, you may want to change that gasket. However, if it's a brand new light and you're just changing the lens, you don't have to. So we'll take our new lens, lay it over top of our light just like it was before. Lay your frame down, put your 4 screws back in. And tighten them down one across from the other. I'd suggest just like you would a wheel or a tire, where you don't go completely tight at first, so it can tighten up evenly, and then tighten up each one just a little bit more, not over tightening, and that's it, and you're done. You'll notice this is the Baja Amber, which is more of a yellow lens. This is the factory amber color, which is a little bit more of an orange lens.